Exporting events from Oribi to Google Ads and Google Analytics is a powerful capability. It will help you to analyze your keywords more effectively, optimize your retargeting campaigns, and create similar audiences. With Oribi, all of this can be done without having to write a single line of code or asking favors from developers. You can use it for search ads, YouTube ads, and display ads. It only takes 2 minutes, so let's do it together. Start by pinning any event you'd like. You can select any button on your website by the label that appears on it or by the link it refers to. You can apply different rules, such as only buttons on specific pages. You can also expand your pinned event and create a group of buttons or other actions. This way, you can define every significant event on your website, such as sign up, purchase, request a demo, or whatever else is important for your site. Note that all of the events are dynamic, so that when you add new buttons and links to your website, if they fall under the pinned event definition, Oribi will automatically add these new additions to the pinned event and will export them as well. It will save you tons of time on maintenance. One less thing to worry about. Now, let's log on to Google. Go to Settings, Ecosystem, and click on Login with Google. Choose your Google Analytics account. You can either use the same account for all the domains in this ecosystem or choose a different ad account for each domain. You'll only have to do this step once, of course. Now, go to the Manage Pinned Event section and look for the event you pinned. Click on Export and select Google Analytics. Since Google doesn't enable third-party tools to send events directly to Google Ads, we'll export it to Google Analytics first and then transfer it to Google Ads. You're asked to fill in the event label. Now, this is how the event will appear on Google Analytics. You can also enrich the event with more optional fields, such as event category and event action. That's it. Your pinned event is now being sent to Google Analytics. Let's move to Google Analytics now. The first step is to turn your event into a goal. Turning an event into a goal will enable you to perform all of Google Analytics breakdowns and queries on it, as well as send the event to Google Ads. Go to Admin, and then click on Goals. Now use the New Goal button. Select Custom, and then Continue. Use the description to name your goal, and then choose Event. Remember how you were asked to fill in the event's label? Well, now is the time to use it. Here, type in the event label you used in Oribi. If you're not sure about what label you used, you can check it in Oribi. Make sure to type it exactly the same way. You can also use the event category or action. Note that if you're using the same names for several events, Google Analytics will merge them. Click Save, and your goal is ready. You can now see this goal and its breakdowns on each of the Google Analytics reports. Now enter your Google Ads account. Go to Tools and Settings, Measurement, Conversions, and then select Import from Google Analytics. Choose the goal you just defined on Google Analytics. Click on Import and Continue, and then select Done. You're all set. Now, every time one of your website visitors performs the event, it will be sent to Google Analytics and Google Ads. Note that while Google Analytics uses the term goal, on Google Ads it will appear as a conversion. However, it's the same event with the same data. Now you can see how many visitors performed this event by keyword, use retargeting for visitors who performed a certain action, and create similar audiences based on this event. You can also use it for search ads, YouTube ads, and display ads. Go to Oribi.io, start exporting events, and optimize your Google campaigns.